Hi everyone, so this is the LEGO Friends 2026 Fun Indoor Playground. So we have like three separated places, green, blue, and yellow. And we have three dolls in this set. Nova, Leon, and the girl who's working here in this playland. So inside we have so many activities to do. We have a trampoline, we have a slide, we have like those like moving rabbits, and like we can also dance, and there's also like turning stuffs, and we're also selling like slushy things, the exact same one that was right next to the game and comic book shop this year. So it looks so cute and it's very wonderful, and I just can't wait to play with it. It looks totally fantastic, I was really looking forward to this set because I love playgrounds, and this is a really nice indoor playground. So we also have like some cute things dangling on top of the slide. That's just so cute. I really like these sort of like playing places. So I just can't wait to review this, and this is the end of the video, and see you next time. Bye bye, see you next time.